Tim Albright with AVNation at ISE 2024 in the NEAT booth with Graham Walsh. How are you, sir?
I'm very good, thank you. Yourself?
Good to see you.
And you?
We are standing in front of the NEAT 50, right? So talk about that, and also talk about the new app interface that you have.
Sure. So NEAT Board 50, new design, new innovation, slightly smaller. A lot of people say, hey, can we have bigger screens? But we find smaller screens are more adaptable for this hybrid working that we're seeing.
Okay.
And we've actually designed a new stand for this,
Oh, wow, okay.
so it's adaptable. So either when it's in this flexible, move it around. We call this like a dancing wall.
Yeah.
So you can move it around easily, bring it to any environment. And if you're having a meeting, bring it down to the table. If you're standing up, you want to use the whiteboard, hit whiteboard, pick up the new active pen and start ideation.
Yeah.
And so this is available on this trolley or actually on a wall. So you can fix it to a wall, but also adaptable on the wall as well.
Okay.
So yeah, shipping now, board 50. Again, single product code. By default with the table stand, optional is this new, what we call adaptive stand, but it's also acoustic paneling.
Yeah,
so again, helping environments where open spaces like this, helping block out noise from behind, but also made from 50% recycled material.
Okay,
so
excellent.
Very cool, very neat.
Yeah, very neat.
Yeah,
so you guys have an app hub, right? Talk about some of the apps available and how those folks go online to the app hub and what sort of applications are available.
So we've started trying them with people who maybe not use Microsoft Whiteboard or Zoom Whiteboard. They might be using Miro, Muriel, Lucid, other applications, even in a browser. So what we've developed is our app hub through our Neat Pulse platform. So that Neat Pulse is our management platform, and there you can deploy out which applications you're allowed to use when you're enterprise. So for example, behind you, you've got the app hub board, which is actually running a browser. So you can see exactly what we have on the browser, but then we can then switch and then bring in Miro. We can bring in maybe Salesforce. You want to look at a dashboard.
Yeah.
So on top of that, we are now developing what we call Neat Share, a wireless application sharing, so I can share wirelessly from device A into device B.
Okay.
So making it very, very simple and get that into your Teams or Zoom call.
All right. Finally, you guys are showing off the Neat Center.
Yep.
360 degrees almost, so to talk about that and kind of the application, what you're thinking there.
Absolutely. So again, very exciting new camera technology. It's an addition to your Neat device. So it can only be used with Neat devices.
Okay.
It pairs over the network. So it's not a peripheral, so you can't plug it into your laptop and away you go. You can only pair it with your Neat hardware. And it's designed to be an addition to the room, but not for people in the room. It's all about people on the hybrid end. So people working remotely get a better experience because we're human, we like to look at each other and talk.
Yeah.
What happens to the person in the front of the room? So what happens there is they'll see the side of my head, or if I stand up and present, they'll see the back of my head, like the camera's behind you now. What Neat Center will do, we'll focus on who's looking at the camera, and if we're looking through it at each other, then it'll make a decision and use the center camera. So again, for the user, not to do anything in the room, but people on the far end get a great experience because they can see us face to face, and we're using our patented Neat Symmetry to give that head and shoulder shot of everyone.
That's awesome.
And an added benefit, we've got 16 mics in there as well.
Okay.
So being able to make audio available further down the room, but two options, on the table or hanging from the ceiling as well. So again, having flexible spaces, like higher ed who might be moving tables around for different classrooms, means they haven't got to plug it in. It's all there hanging ready for the next meeting.
All right, Graham, somebody wants to find out more about Neat. How do they do that?
They can visit our website, www.neat.no, and then you can see the full range of products and experiences on the website.
All right, very good. Graham from Neat for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we bring you more videos from the show floor of ISE 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.